Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today we're going to talk about the importance of bleach in the bathroom. Most people don't realize just how important bleach can be in keeping your bathroom clean and hygienic. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to use bleach effectively in your bathroom. Disinfecting surfaces. Bleach is a powerful disinfectant that can kill harmful bacteria and viruses. The bathroom is one of the most germ-infested areas in the house, so it's important to disinfect surfaces regularly. Mix 1 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water and use it to wipe down surfaces such as countertops, sinks, and toilets. Let the solution sit for a few minutes before wiping it off with a clean cloth. Cleaning grout. Bathroom tiles and grout can easily become discolored due to the buildup of dirt and grime. Bleach can be an effective solution to restore the white color of your grout. Mix equal parts of bleach and water in a spray bottle and spray the solution on the grout. Let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it with a brush. Rinse with water and repeat as necessary. Removing stains. Bleach can also be used to remove tough stains from bathroom surfaces such as toilets and sinks. Pour a cup of bleach into the toilet bowl and let it sit for about 15 minutes before scrubbing with a toilet brush. For sinks and other surfaces, apply bleach directly to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it with a brush. Rinse with water and repeat if necessary. Preventing mold and mildew. Bleach can be an effective solution for preventing the growth of mold and mildew in the bathroom. Mix 1 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water and use it to wipe down the walls, shower curtain, and other surfaces prone to mold growth. It's important to do this regularly to prevent mold and mildew from taking hold. And there you have it, some tips and tricks on how to use bleach effectively in your bathroom. Remember to always use caution when using bleach and follow the instructions on the label. Bleach can be a powerful tool in keeping your bathroom clean and hygienic, so don't overlook its importance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.